Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 search and indexing problems on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. Select searching windows in the right pane. Scroll down, select advanced indexing options. Okay, now select advanced, and then you will have this option under troubleshooting which says delete and rebuild index. Click on rebuild and then click on OK. Now this will need somewhat time, but it will fix your problem in 95% cases. But if it does not, then you can perform a clean boot because there could be an interference by a third-party software product. So search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the services tab. Check the box associated with hide all Microsoft services. If any of the services checked, click on disable all, apply, OK, and then restart your computer. And finally, you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.